The 21-day fat cell cleanse is going to help you outsmart up to 10 pounds of body fat in just 3 weeks, improve your daily energy levels, naturally cleanse the body from a wild holiday season, help to teach the body to burn more stored fat as fuel, and naturally optimize metabolism as well as the hormones governing fat loss to support short and long-term fat loss success. You can get a free copy of the 21-day Fat Cell Cleanse Nutrition Program by emailing me, scott@infinityfitness.com. The program was put together by Dr. Eric Serrano, MD, and myself, Scott Mendelson, based on many years of success helping clients earn fantastic progress in terms of fat burning at the beginning of the new year. A wild holiday season built up fat storing momentum for a large percentage of the population from consuming too much carbohydrate, a lot of sugar, alcohol, trans fats, fried foods, less activity than what you were supposed to have, and many other things. So you have to reverse these trends in order for the body to efficiently use fat as fuel. And I don't care what you're doing. If your fat storing hormones are through the roof and your fat cells are really screwed up, you are going nowhere fast. So you have to take care of these underlying issues to make sure that you're firing on all cylinders. Your fat cells in particular take a huge beating over the holiday season. We have billions of fat cells. We cannot get rid of the ones that we have. We can gain more and certainly make the ones we have larger, and as a result we have a much larger fat storage warehouse, but again, we can't get rid of the fat cells. So our only choice is to change their status, and we do that through proper diet and use of a high dose of the alpha-omega M3. The alpha-omega M3 is an essential fatty acid powerhouse that Dr. Serrano assembled based on many years of his research. It includes toxic filtrated EPA and DHA, which is your fish oil, takes care of all those needs, CLA, GLA, ALA, avocado oil, vitamin E, extra virgin olive oil, and flaxseed oil, all in special ratios to optimize fat burning from several perspectives. So it cleanses fat cells. It gives fat cells all these good materials that they want. And as a result, they can purge out larger garbage in the cells to be burned as fuel. And when the cells collectively shrink in size, that's how we lower body fat. And not a lot of people recognize that. But if the fat cell status, again, is not taken care of and not optimized, you cannot maximize your rates of fat burning. And quite frankly, some people, their fat cell status is so poor from the history of bad eating that they're going nowhere fast, even if they're doing some good things with training and nutrition. Also during the holidays, from a series of bad food choices and again lack of activity, a lot of alcohol, poor sleep, and many other problems, you build up fat storing momentum. And one of the things that goes wrong for people is their insulin levels climb very high. Insulin is the body's most potent fat storing hormone. We don't want to get rid of it. In actuality, we want to peak it at certain times, such as following training, and we do that by manipulating our meals, as you can see in the file. But if insulin levels are chronically high, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to lose body fat, at least not to any significant degree. So by changing the diet and also using the alpha-omega M3 with meals, we can help the body respond better to all of the food that we are consuming. Again, the special ratios of essential fats that Dr. Serrano put together help the body respond more favorably to everything that you eat, help to naturally keep insulin levels in check. How do we know? Well, Dr. Serrano does clinical blood test reviews on patients and has done tens of thousands over the course of his career, and he knows exactly how the body responds to certain elements. So the alpha-omega M3 was assembled based on that knowledge, knowing what affects insulin levels. So keeping those in check, again, makes body fat loss much easier. Email me, scott@infinityfitness.com, 7 days a week. I'm going to send you a free copy of the 21-day Fat Cell Cleanse Nutrition Program. It tells you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why, and we can correspond to go over your individual questions at any time. I look forward to helping you earn fantastic fat loss success in 2018.